Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the chaos video effect in the CapCut PC. So first select your videos, photos or just images to the track, and you're just going to select effect and select distortion. Here's chaos. This is new pro effect in CapCut, and you can join properties to be able to use this effect. Add to the track and make it shorter. Copy paste and put on top the clips. Copy paste again. Right, and after done, you are just going to select other effect, and I'm just going to select the camera shot and adjust body duration. So select transition and select SP. Apply to all the clip. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.